1955 Dodge Power Wagon here at Unique Classic Cars. These always seem to sell quickly when we get them in. Underneath the hood, 230 cubic inch, inline 6-cylinder that is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. This truck has underwent recent restoration work. Repaint to the black and red as you see it in front of me. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, to be able to see the interior, engine bay, truck from every angle, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Like I said, paint was done at the time of restoration, so it is newer. Shows well. There's a few spots where, I'll say like this, from the hood opening and closing, you may have a scuff here and there, maybe something, a little imperfection in the clear, but overall, as you can see, paint shows well. Interior also redone, black bench seat. Red color continuing through the interior. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'll hop up in there, start it up so you can hear it run. We're also going to take this truck for a drive at the end of the video, so stick around. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can also see the bed of this truck, also nicely restored. Absolutely looks great. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all those still pictures. If you like these mid-50s Dodge trucks, or maybe just like mid-50s trucks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase right off our website, or if you can make it see us in person, our showroom floor. And a little spot over here too from the hood opening and closing, a little scuff. Nothing too major. There's a few up on top of this hood too, maybe some little touch-up spots or what have you. But you can see the black paint. It does have a nice shine to it, as well as that red. All right, let's take a peek at this interior. It has newer wiper motors, and the wiper motors do work. Get those going. Door panels, red and black combination, kind of carried throughout the interior of this truck. Of course, these were just a workhorse back in the day. And let's go ahead and fire it up. This is a very smooth running one. Starter is underneath the dash where you push on it with your foot. So we're going to turn the key to right position right there. Yep, there we go. The key is on, and then push start up under here. See the gauge cluster there. Let's go ahead and make sure we're in neutral. Again, 4-speed manual. Slip around to the back of this vehicle, so you can hear it run. Nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust. You'll be able to check out both sides of the engine bay in the still pictures. I think I'm gonna, let's slip around to the passenger side. I'll show you where the carbon exhaust setup is on this. So let me pause this a second, show you part of the engine bay. Check it all out in the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we're gonna drive this truck at the very end of the video. So stick around. Jason's gonna take it for a drive. I went ahead and opened both hood panels, just as easy to do both as it is one. So there you can see it. Inline 6. Again, 230 cubic inches. Nice, clean, tidy looking engine bay also. Slip around to the driver's side. Take a peek at that. And again, you'll be able to see all the still pictures of the engine bay too. '55 Dodge Power Wagon. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where all the still pics are. 507-386-1726. Give us a call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1955 Dodge Power Wagon. We're just going to take her out on the road a little so you can see what it's like. Now there is some squeaking between the doors and the body. Our oil pressure is about a quarter of the way up the gauge. Temperature about a third of the way up the gauge. Amps are right in the middle. The fuel gauge is jumping. I can't guarantee that's accurate. Speedometer appears to be working. This truck is a 4-speed on the floor. Being that we're in low gear, I could actually easily start in third and just go to fourth. Perfect truck for parades. You got a job that needs done, something that needs pulled, this will do it. Shiny and beautiful like a show truck. You hardly ever see a Dodge Power Wagon. The wipers work. You're definitely going to want to take a look at all the pictures and learn about this truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.